If you want to change your YouTube channel or your YouTube videos from private to public, this situation may occur when you previously turned your YouTube channel into private, hide your YouTube channel. So you need to convert your YouTube channel from private to public, right? So just open YouTube and just click here and sign in to your YouTube channel. If you sign in back to your YouTube channel, it automatically converted from private YouTube channel to public YouTube channel. Then after this, you need to open YT Studio app. This is official YouTube app. Just go to App Store and install this app and open that app. Then click here and switch account, change and select the YouTube channel. So I just select this account. So it's time to change the private videos to public videos. Now just click content. Here just click type and first select videos and apply. Now here you can see all your long form videos. For me it's just one. You just need to click these three dots and edit. Scroll down, visibility, and if it shows private, you just need to change this to public and just click save. That's it. Likewise, X mark this, type, shorts, apply. Now you can see all your shorts videos like public, private, unlisted, every short video. If for example, if this short video shows private, you just need to click these three dots, edit, visibility, and change this to public and just click save. That's it. This is how you need to convert private video to public video. But here you need to do one by one like this. If you want to do this process at one click, if you have many videos, just minimize this and open any browser. For now I just open Safari and just open new tab and Google, and here just type studio.youtube.com. Search and long press over this. Open in new window. Click these three dots, full screen. Okay, for now it's landed to this site. If it shows open YouTube Studio or continue to YouTube Studio, you need to choose the bottom option, continue to YouTube Studio. Then it will land on this site. If it asks you to log into your YouTube channel, just sign into your YouTube channel. If you want to change your YouTube channel, just click this and switch account and change the YouTube channel. For now I just show you using this YouTube channel. Now just click this content, this video option. Now click this reverse pyramid like icon. Now click visibility and here select private, apply. Then you can see all your private videos, shorts, everything, live videos, everything you will see on this page. So for me I have a lot of private videos. So what you have to do means, if you want to manually make some private videos to public, you can choose like this. For now we are going to convert every video. So click this top checkbox near video and click edit. Again click visibility. Now click this private and select public and click update videos and tick this checkbox, and if you tab update videos, every private video will be converted into public video. It will be available for everyone. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch these videos.